In this video I am going to talk about what is a web series and are they worth watching. So web series is like a television series. And both requires a number of episodes to tell a story or to inform something, but the main difference between the web series and television series is a investment required to start and maintain the series. And because the web in the web series they are less known actors and they are minimum special effects, and can be done with the camera, and we can share with the video sharing platform. So production cost to make a web series is much lower than in comparison to television series, and anybody can create a web series, but it requires a camera and a video sharing platform. And it's very common. People can use the dialogues from film. They can have their own lines, and sometimes your family members and sometimes some aspiring actors, some colleagues are just reciting the scripted and unscripted lines of the actors. So it's a way now, so we can watch different web series, and sometimes a series can become so popular that it can go on air, and there are so many examples of that. Not so many, but there are few examples. There is a girl called Isa Rae, and she created a show called the Misadventure of Awkward Black Girl. And after successfully running this web series on YouTube, the HBO approached to Isa Rae to make television series of her web series. Then, but what is the there is few restrictions. They are in web series that they are short, and sometimes the violence, because television series follow some broadcasting guideline. That's why most of the television series you see episodes are of 30 minutes or 1 hour. So it has to be fit in that guideline, and there is a proper maintenance and proper watching, proper cutting of the lines which can offend a particular religion, and the scenes will be deleted if they are not good for kids. But this kind of restrictions are not there in web series. But anyway, these are some bad things about this web series, but still they are worth watching. And for youth it's very important for youth, because most of the youths are not because of some reason they are not in their home, so they can't have this television access or this dish TV access. So for that they are totally dependent on YouTube or this platform. So this web series is a very much popular in youth, but sometimes we have to see what we are watching, and it's my opinion. And if anybody is hurted by my opinion, then I do apologize in this video. But still they are worth watching, and you can easily create them. You can watch them anytime. There is no particular timing. And yes, so that's it, and this is Rahul Kumar signing out from this video, and take care. Bye bye.